ELI5. When toddlers talk, gibberish, are they just making random noises or are they attempting to speak an English sentence that just comes out muddled up? I mean like 18 mnths plus that are already grasping parts of the English language. It's usually just them learning and playing with all the noises they are capable of vocalizing. You will also notice that pronunciation improves greatly over the next few years as they gain better coordination of their mouth and vocal muscles. Three-way actually. Very young children still remember the cold empty touch of non-existence. They're speaking to each other but also the void. Sometimes it whispers back. He said I can have his cake. The word for mother in many languages is some derivation of a ma sound. And not just those with the same root language: Mandarin, Mama Hindi, Mam Arabic, Mama Navajo, Ama Swahili, Mama Polish, Mama Aramaic. The theory is that is an easy sound for babies to make, unlike those that need a tongue against teeth. Just keep your lips together for a moment too long, like if you're nursing, and it comes out ah. So maybe it's not gibberish trying to sound like language, it's language coming from gibberish. Both. All kids develop differently both physically and mentally. Some gibberish is the child truly talking but still not able to form the words or thoughts correctly. Sometimes gibberish is purely exploring the noises they can make because it is fun. They are learning a language and figuring out how their bodies work. I've noticed with mine, who started talking early. Every time she is making big developments mentally, her speech gets a little jumbled as she's trying to learn how to use words in a more abstract way. When she was 1.5 years old, I was putting her to bed. She said, "I'm bored. I have nothing to do." She sounded like an 8-year-old. Next day she was running around screaming like a normal 1-year-old.